Hi everyone. So now I'm going to show you how to install WordPress in your hosting provider. So I have here my hosting provider. That's my dashboard. Depending on your hosting provider, you have a different interface, but most of them will offer you a dashboard with the services that you are entitled to use. In my case here, what I want to do is to install WordPress, and most of the hosting providers will offer an option to do that with an app installer or one-click installation. Let's have a look what is being offered here. We have cPanel hosting. That's where I will go, and from there it will give me my domain. That's the domain I have for this account, and I have here my cPanel link. So you will click here, and cPanel will show you a lot of options to manage your files there, to manage your website. I have a file manager, I have a PHPMyAdmin here. If I wanted, I could install WordPress manually here. Now I have access to all the tools that I need to install, but as I said before, the hosting providers will offer some options to speed up this process, to make your life easier, and some of them will have the app installer, is the case of this one. So when you click here, you should be able to see a lot of applications that you can install. You have Joomla, there's another CMS. You have this one that is also an e-commerce based on PHP. And that's WordPress, the one that we are looking for. So instead of going there and creating the database, downloading the files from WordPress.org, doing all the process manually, we're gonna use this app installer to speed up this process. So you're gonna then click here and install, and then it will guide you. So here the first page is about giving you information about the app that you are installing. In that case here, it's saying that what is the name of the website that you're gonna add. So that's my domain, so that's the one that I'm gonna use. If you have more domains, it will show here, and then you're gonna add what is the application, the name of the website that you're gonna build, because then this website will live under this URL here. So you can choose any name, but choose one name that you're gonna use later to guide you in this process, to know if you have multiple applications that you know that that's the one that you are building. So don't use a generic name at this point. So I'm gonna use Miss Polly just because it's the website that I'm gonna build later. You have some options here to change a few things. So for instance, site name and site description you can change later, but I will just put it straight away. That is Miss Polly here, and I will keep like that for now. The admin account, I will change that just to set up what I'm gonna use later. And I'm just gonna use that one, should do. I won't select any plugins at this point, but if I wanted, they will just do that for me. They will install this for me. I'll just choose that. Let me see if I forgot something. No, I don't want to change a theme at the moment. No, that should be good. I'm just gonna install here. I'm gonna save just to save my memory from remember that later, but make sure that you type this somewhere, okay? So now it's not even 2 seconds. They just install my application, and it's ready to use. You can see that now you can go to Miss Polly. If I click here, I'm gonna open this in a new tab. My website is here installed. There's nothing interesting here to watch, to see, but straight away you see there's a website ready to use. It's public. You can go to this website now and find this because it's live for everybody. So this is the benefit of using an app installer, because everything is there ready to use.